We had a pretty vicious thunderstorm come through Calgary last night, and the hailstorms were well over marble size. They were approaching golf ball size actually, and but the damage isn't really as significant as I thought it was going to be. I had really thought that everything was going to be completely pulverized, so that's a bit of a relief. So the first thing to remember when you have a big hailstorm and things are not looking too good is to not panic. Plants are extremely resilient, and most of them will actually rebound if you have enough of a growing season left like I do. So yeah, definitely clean up the stalks that are in the plant matter that's lying on the garden bed. Anything that's loose and removed from the plant, clean that up and put it in your composter. Anything else, if you have to do any trimming, don't go whole hog in the first few days. Maybe just wait a little bit. See how things go. If things are broken off or snapped so that they're not going to be growing anymore, you can remove those. But do a clean, nice clean cut and go from there. Already, this has just been since this morning that these plants have rebounded. They were all flattened last night, so this is remarkable. So just bear in mind that your plants are probably going to do better than you think, and it's not all altogether bad.